Annette here from Ask Me Decor. Welcome back, and if you're new here, thanks for joining me. So today is going to be a hard-working video. I want to refresh my patio. The summer started with us prepping for our big vacation, so we didn't really have a lot of time to clean and get the patio ready for summer. Then we went on our big vacation. So now that we're home, it is time to get this patio refreshed, cleaned up. There's a couple things I want to do. We're going to get it ready for the rest of the summer. We aren't planning on traveling again until September, so we are going to be spending a lot of time out here. So on the patio, we have cement, and it is stamped concrete, and it collects dog hair, it collects leaves and dirt. So I'm going to clean the concrete. The second thing we're going to do is my carpets. I have 3 different size rugs that I keep out here. One is for the eating area, another one is for the sitting area where we sit in front of the fireplace, and then the last one goes on the stoop where you go into the kitchen. So those rugs need to be cleaned, so we're going to work on that. Then we're going to clean the wicker. Now I have wicker furniture that the bottoms, the legs and all have collected a lot of dirt and debris, so we're going to clean those up. Then we're going to go to the black table set that I have, that I put here with a big patio umbrella. We're going to freshen up the paint on those. I painted those black quite a few years ago. So this is the table, and there's the chairs. When this started out, the chairs were part of a gray set. But one day the wind came along, took the set, carried it off, and smashed it. So I did have this bigger table in my basement, which I brought out, but the table was white. So the chairs were gray, the table was white. So I really needed to get this to be a uniform look so I could use this spare table. So I decided to spray paint everything black. Now that was a couple of years ago. It needs a little bit of a refresh on the black spray paint. You can see some white chips where the white is showing through, and you can also see some gray on the chairs. We're gonna give them a quick spray paint, get rid of the gray that's showing through, get rid of the white on here that's showing through, and get this looking great for the patio. And the last thing I wanna do is refill the wood rack. We do have a fireplace on the patio here that we light at night sometimes. We toast marshmallows, we sit around talking, we have friends over. It's really great, but we need to fill the wood rack back up. So that'll be the last part of this project. Then I bought some new pillow covers for all the pillows that I put out here. So I can't wait to get them out. I bought some new placemats. So the final part of the video is going to be setting the table for a nice alfresco dinner. Now I think this is going to take me about 2 days, so I'm going to go in the house, get some work clothes on, and we're going to get started. First, I need to get some paper on the top of this table so that I can spray paint the black parts without getting any paint on the glass. As soon as I finish that, I'm going to give the chairs a quick scrub down, and while they're drying, I'm going to start cleaning the rugs. Now this would have been easier with a power washer. However, ours is industrial size and way too heavy for me to operate. So I did it the old-fashioned way. It worked just fine. Now remember I said the table used to be white and the chairs used to be gray. The nicks were letting all the white and the gray show through, so I needed to do a quick touch up on the spray paint, and then I let it all dry in the sun. The umbrella stand needed a quick touch up too, so I did that while I had the spray paint out. Onto the patio. I just gave it a good hosing. It got rid of all the dog hair and the debris, the dried leaves, and all the dirt. My wicker furniture needed a good scrubbing. Now this isn't real wicker, this is that plastic. It's by Martha Stewart Living, and I've had it several years. It's holding up fairly well considering how long I've had it, but the scrubbing did it wonders. It looks brand new. Once the rugs were done drying in the sun, it was time to put this patio back together. About time. I couldn't wait to see how clean and nice everything was going to look once I got it back together. Time to get this tape off and this paper. Considering this set is a mismatched set and I put it together after I lost the table to the other set, it's looking pretty good. Okay, so all the hard work's done. The patio looks great, and now it's time to make it look pretty. I have some new pillow covers. Now I bought these on Amazon. I'll try to link them in the description for you if you would like to purchase them also. I have no endorsement from Amazon. I just love these pillow covers. So let's put everything out. We're gonna set the table, and we're gonna get ready for an alfresco dinner on this table. Let's get going.
Those days they
So that's going to complete the patio refresh for the rest of the summer. I love it. I think the colors are great. It feels so comfortable. I can't wait to have a cozy fire tonight and an alfresco dinner on that table. It looks so inviting. So let me take you around, get a beverage. You know the drill. We're gonna set it to music and we're gonna enjoy this beautiful patio. Let's get going.
You as you drive, do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling. I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
Covers the patio for the end of the summer. I think it looks great and I can't wait to enjoy it. So the color combination was great. I already had this sage green cushions for my wicker, and I wanted to give it more of the black and white look. So the pillows contributed to that. I put some throws on here just in case the night gets a little chilly, and I used a lot of black and white with the table. I did need to put some red accents through it because we have red on our house. Our accents, our doors and all are red, so it really needed a little bit of red throughout. So I did that with the flowers and the plates on the table, the plates and the napkins on the table, and that just gave the color scheme a very cohesive look. So I hope you got some ideas that you're going to use on your own outdoor summer space. Get started with that. If you have any questions, just ask me. I think this would be a great time for you to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.